Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you today for cooking on the 8th of August. Next week, not this week, next week. So I got I got the 10 kilo rice here. I'm going to make some roti. I got flour. This is my ginger garlic, my masalas. And I'm making some soji. I got rama, I got oil, I got potato. So the chicken and salad things all guys, and the cold drink some and biscuits, I'm gonna buy it next week. On Tuesday I'll buy it, and then on the 8th I'll be cooking. So I just want to show you all what I got now. I got flour, I got ginger garlic, I got masala, I bought the rama to make the soji, I got the oil, potato, onions, tomato. Another thing guys, thank you Mommy Govender so much. God bless you what you did for your donation, and Tash, thank you very much. God bless y'all. So guys, when I bring all the other stuff, the chicken and cold drink, biscuits, all, so I'll show you all that also. For now, I got all those things, and that biscuit and chicken and the salad things all. I'll buy it on Tuesday. On Saturday, I'll be preparing. So I'll show you guys all those things.